Please, sir, can you put on your nose mask?
Sir?
Put on your nose mask, please. Your nose mask.
Nose mask?
Yes, sir. Please, sir, put it where, sir?
Odkin in our time, family, Odkin is in Angom. Monembo, what? Odkin, I say something they ahead.
Do you know what?
Ma?
I noticed that you have vowed to humiliate me.
No, I'm not vowed to humiliate us. This guy, the guy ain't vowed to humiliate us.
Hello, good day, ma. Welcome to our Mocha's Lip Gallery.
Thank you so much.
Now,
First off, this is a really nice place you've got.
Mama,
You can say that again, ma.
Mama, let me tell you all this. I know all this strategy, how packaging. If you want to buy bed, come to our Sama Koya. Honestly, you will see bed, normal bed, bouncing baby bed.
So I'm not trying to intrude, but I'm very positive you are in the right place, ma.
I understand. How about you keep your opinion to yourself? Okay, let me just go straight to the point.
Okay.
I am a very busy person.
Oh,
Now, I tend to be on the move a whole lot.
I see.
So I need you to get me something that would help ease the pain on my lower back. Could you do that for me?
All right, please come with me. Ma, if I understand your situation very well, I think this will be a perfect one for you.
Oh, it would be.
Well-being Regina, it's actually orthopedic. It will help ease your pressure points. And exactly.
Wow.
You can feel it yourself, ma.
This one.
And it will aid a good sleep. Yes, this one.
Comfortable.
Yes.
Mad.
Are you mad? Get off of here.
No, I want to test you. I just want to test the bed. I just want to test the bed.
Why do I even hang around with you? I'll take it. Oh, also, I might need something for my 3-year-old twins.
Okay, Ejima, Peter and Amako.
Please.
Peter and Paul.
Follow me again, ma.
Thank you
By the other
so
side.
much.
They rush. Oh, your body they go Rajeya. They Gigi Tatafa.
This is Mocha Dream Time.
Okay.
This was perfectly produced with the intention of kids like yours in mind.
Will be for the girls.
Mama.
And this for the boys.
Mama.
Exactly.
Mama. So all these things I'm telling you, you are not gonna believe me. I'm telling you, me and my sister have a phone for the children. You're not gonna believe. You are looking down on me.
All right. Promise me then that if I permit you to call your sister, you'd quit using this accent.
I promise you, I'm gonna quit using the accent. Everything I do is for your good. Just give me money, let me go and buy the one my sister is using. You're gonna like it.
Call her then.
Okay. Hello, Joma.
I no get.
Now we are watching the revolution.
I no get.
I'll beg you for money.
What do you want?
That foam where they use for your house, what will be the name? Oh, you're here.
Na muka foam, na muka flora.
Muka floor.
Get the muka foam. Bye.
Exactly.
Get the muka floor.
Here, we even have it here. But we supply that too.
Are you satisfied?
I'm gonna get the muka for you and me.
What?
I say get the muka for you and me.
I pay you
I'll
your...
get it.
You are fired!